Welcome to the TimeLock Documentation Snow Removal app, the easiest way to securely document snow removal and winter treatment applications. The first time you use the app, you'll need to create a project. Tap Projects on the main screen, then tap New Project. Give your project a name, then tap Create. Now, tap the project folder you just created. The next step is to add a worksite location. Tap New Location, then type in the name of the location. Now you're ready to add a certified snow removal report to the worksite location. Tap the location you just created, then tap to add a new certification. Fill in the details and be sure to specify a client and property type for the certification: residential, commercial, public works, school, or custom. Then, enter a trigger snowfall amount. To add an on-site snowfall amount into the record, just tap and enter the total in imperial or metric. Now, scroll down and tap Locations Cleared to indicate where the work was done. The items on this list depend upon which property type you select in the fields above and can be edited or deleted if needed. Once you specify whether any treatments were applied to each location, the information will be logged into your report. If needed, you can add a custom location type by scrolling to the bottom of the list and can add custom treatments as well. Once the job is done, tap a photo icon to document its completion. Your photo will be watermarked with a time, date, and GPS stamp. And you can also set the ambient temperature in the upper right-hand corner. These readings are locked into the document so that it can't be edited. Add up to 15 additional photos as needed to create a thorough record. You can zoom in on them too, so that all details are clearly documented. To finish certifying a job as complete, use the comment box to add details like weather conditions. Then tap the Snow Removed toggle. If the job hasn't been completed, leave the toggle in the default position. Tap Sign and Email to review your results, then add your signature right on the screen. Be sure to record the name and title of the snow technician and any inspectors or administrative authorities as you attach their signatures to the record. Tap to add additional signatures if necessary. Finally, you'll submit the certification using the @ sign at the top right. The app will generate an email for your certification. Just add a subject line, enter the email addresses of the relevant parties, including yourself, and tap Send. It's important to note that you'll need to have an address set up in your device's default email app for this to work. Third-party email apps aren't supported. The app stores all completed certificates in the Emailed Certificates section on the home page. If you're doing a number of reports in a row, you can open an existing form from the Projects folder and duplicate it by tapping Edit at the bottom of the page. Note that photos will not be duplicated. With the TimeLock Docs Snow Removal app, you can create professional, secure certifications in minutes from anywhere. For more support, documentation, and more information about the Snow Removal app, visit TimeLockDocs.com.